You listen to the
But he
business
argued
profession
very
is
well.
separate, sir. Honorable Defence Minister should not refer to his profession.
No,
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ सुनो ना, मैं उनका I am actually praising him.
no, Minister.
You don't want him to be praised.
No, you address the chair. Honorable Minister, address the chair. Don't look at them. Address
He
the chair and say what
very
you
good
want.
lawyer, and he put up the case very strongly, so strongly that for quite some time, even I was getting convinced by his argument. Probably I now understand how convincing he is. Lekin, sir, many times it so happens that if the brief,
No comments, please. No comments. No comments. Please
if the
listen.
brief is very weak, even a best advocate can't win the case. While I was listening to him, I remembered a story which I had read in my childhood about between Badshah and Birbal, Akbar and Birbal. One day it happened that something like a golden spoon was stolen from Badshah's Mahal, and he didn't want it to be given to the criminal investigation that time because that would put him in very embarrassing situation. So he called Birbal and told him that someone has stolen golden spoon from my cutlery. What do I do? Birbal told him, I'll find a solution. Get all the servants. He got all the servants and gave them 1 feet long piece of bamboo and told them that this is a magic bamboo. You take it home. जिसने चोरी किया है उसका 4 इंच बढ़ेगा. सुबह तक जिसने चोरी किया है उसका bamboo piece will grow by 4 inches. It's a magical bamboo piece. Everyone believed Birbal. They went home. The one who had stolen the golden spoon, he was worried man. He could not sleep up to 2 o'clock. Then he got an idea suddenly. He got up at 2 o'clock, brought a knife and cut his bamboo by 4 inch. Expecting it to grow by 12 inches again next day morning. Next day morning, of course, he got caught. What I find in their argument is they have cut all their bamboos by 4 inches. Sir, I am placing here below the statement of facts of the case in details a litany of omissions and commissions at various stages of decision-making process indicate malafide and corrupt actions driven by the goal to favor a particular vendor. This has been recognized by the Italian court in their judgment. At the outset, it may be useful to highlight to honorable members some of the salient issues.
Sharma ji, what is under what rule? ये तरीका ठीक नहीं है सर. Sir, what is going on? आपके leaders बोले किसी ने disturb नहीं किया. ये क्या तरीका? Every time you are disturbing.
Let him reply.
No. Sharma ji, what is the point of it under what rule?
He said he will indicate.
Be authenticated.
He said that
don't take offense.
He already said that. Whatever he...
No,
I will
certified
send
copy. Don't you shout. Certified
No,
copy
he
of the
already-
judgment must be placed.
Okay, it's all right. Sit
He
here.
agreed to that. He will do that.
Creation of a single vendor scenario at various stages from March 2005 onwards, and despite specific direction to the contrary, OR operational requirements and SQRs were set, amended, and processes influenced to make AWIL the only alternative. Violation of accepted norms of procurement processes, unusually large number of deviation approved, counterparty to supply agreements, and exceptional dilution of FED standard. Yes, I will be there. दे दूंगा.
No, please. Yeah, that is his speech.
Suspect
That is his
benchmarking of
prepared speech.
procurement costs
It is a...
which
Sit down.
may have led to acceptance
That
of
is-
materially overpriced
What are you doing?
supply agreements.
No, please sit
Delayed
down.
response to
Please sit down,
questions
sit down.
about the deal. It took a year
Jairam
and an
Ramesh, sit down. What
arrest
do you
by
want?
Italian
That
authorities
is his speech.
for,
He is not quoting, he said it
for
is his
then
speech.
Indian authorities to
is
ask
his
the
speech.
CBI to
Arey, sit
investigate.
down.
Cancellation
That
of
is his speech, sit
deal
down.
spurred by actions of suppliers. The deal was cancelled by the government of India under advice from AG,
It is
not
his
as a
speech.
suo motu action,
It is his
but in
speech.
response to the vendor seeking the appointment of an arbitrator. Delay in action against the supplier group. From the first media report in February 2012, the approval to cancel all dealings with the group was given more than 2 years later on the eve of change in government. In fact, the final order
Now please, listen to
was
this.
given by the present government.
That is his speech, you listen to that. No, it is on record, he is speaking, what do you want? Yeah, what are you asking? Please no, no you please proceed. Please proceed.
It also significant to note that the judgment of the Indian court, Italian court,
Anand Sharma-
which spurred action from government
See,
of India
Anand Sharma-
was
Anand Sharma, you were minister, and when you were minister, did you not read after preparation? A minister can do that. He is doing only that. What are you doing? He is not
spurred
quoting.
action from government
He is
of
not
India
quoting.
was based inter alia on the CAG report from India.
He is not quoting. He is reading his
On
speech.
5th
सर इनको सच का सामना करना नहीं है, सच्चाई सुनना नहीं चाह रहे हैं।
See,
ये तरीका ठीक नहीं है।
Anand Sharma,
आपको
what is the
सच्चाई सुननी
problem?
पड़ेगी। सच का इसका मतलब आप सुनना नहीं चाहते, आप कुछ गड़बड़ है।
sit down please.
क्यों नहीं आप सुन रहे
You
हैं?
sit down. Anand
ये
Sharma,
तरीका ठीक नहीं है।
you listen to me. I will hear you.
सुनिए भैया,
No,
अभी
but
आपने सुनाया
I will
है,
hear you.
सुनिए।
No, please. No, please.
You
I
give me
will
time.
hear you, but listen. I will give you time. Sit down, but listen. But the fundamental, see, see, listen. Now, the fundamental thing is that a minister, now please, minister has every right to prepare a speech and read it out. Whatever he says, he is responsible. He is responsible. Then why do you worry? What is,
Now hear me. I will sit down. Now you hear me. Now you hear me.
yeah.
Now you hear me.
What is that?
Sir, what I am not objecting to the right of the Honorable Minister to read. I will hear him with all respect.
Yeah, then what is your problem?
Sir, what the Minister has said contradicts his statement to the Parliament. He has said 2
No,
years.
so you
and
can-
this reply which I have quoted.
Now you can, in that case,
This
If
is
I'm
his
wrong,
reply.
please move for a bridge of
So
privilege.
he is making a false
if the
statement.
minister is, no, if the minister is, no, if the minister is misleading the house, you have the rule book. You have the rule book. Invoke the necessary rule.
Contradict
No.
yourself.
No, Anand Sharma,
No.
This
no,
cannot
please,
statement.
it is not going on record.
What is
Anand Sharma, it is wrong.
What is happening?
I am not allowing Anand Sharma to speak. Yes.
Mr. A.K. Antony, Honorable A.K.
Yeah.
Antony just now read from the
Yeah,
papers.
correct. Correct.
What is Anand
If
Sharma
I
saying?
permitted, he can do that. Minister
You don't
can
want
always
the truth
do.
to come out? You say
Anand
that the
Sharma,
people- You want to disturb the house?
no,
You don't want to
Anand
hear the
Sharma,
truth?
please. Anand
Truth is
Sharma,
unfair.
please. If the minister is misleading, you can invoke the rule. Not now. Now you listen. क्या
They
है?
are ratted by the
Sharad
truth.
Yadav
sir.
ji.
They are ratted by the truth.
Yeah,
Because truth is unfireable, unfireable.
Yeah.
They are scared of the truth.
Sharad Yadav ji.
I'm laying it on the table.
सर मैं
I'm
आपसे
laying it
विनती
also on the
करना
table of the
आपके
house.
माध्यम से सभी मित्रों से इधर कहना चाहता हूँ कहना चाहता हूँ मंत्री दे रहा बयान तो हम
You
लोग
have
सही
to
मान
listen to
सकते
the
हैं।
minister.
लेकिन ये सदन शांति से चल रहा था इसे शांति से चलना चाहिए
Yeah, चलना चाहिए।
इसे शांति से चलना चाहिए
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ।
Now, you see,
गुलाम नबी जी अपने सदस्यों को कहिए
No,
हम
no,
शांति
listen.
से हैं आपके लेकिन ये जो
listen,
सदन ठीक से
this
चल रहा है,
side-
उसको चलने दीजिए
yeah, Sharad Yadav ji, this side has made all your speeches. It was heard by the House. You have a responsibility to hear the minister also. Please do that. Minister, please. Minister, you address the chair. Don't look at them, address the chair. Yeah. Minister can always read a speech. Minister can always read a speech. No need of speech being authenticated. That is his speech.
On 6th August 1999,
That is his
Indian Air
speech.
Force
Yes,
proposed
everybody is
replacement
responsible.
of
He has to do that, please.
Mi-8 VIP helicopters due to various constraints imposed by...
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.